Father in the Lord, Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufuyin of Fufuyin Foundation. I want to also appreciate our mommy in the Lord, Prophetess Antonia.
Hello guys, my people, not be smart, the update when I carry corner concerning our popular Nollywood actor when they call Duro Michael, now they see for my screen. So when I know say few days back, Papa J himself, known as Senior Prophet Jeremiah, he give this man 5 million naira. And when I know say this man based on they say na condition I make crayfish burn, you understand, based on one or two health issue. Finally, come happen to be say they go remove one of his leg when be say man he need artificial leg to take replace the leg so that he go feel waka again. Nobody help him. Our Senior Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufuyin, known as Papa J himself, as he come across the update for social media, and he send the boys down to Anambra State, made they go give him 5 million naira. So now this man don't come and appreciate Senior Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufuyin, known as Papa J. So guys, make I not to waste on time. Make una watch this full video. Why I go see you for the ending of this video.
Father in the Lord, Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufuyin of Fufuyin Foundation. I want to also appreciate our mommy in the Lord, Prophetess Antonia Fufuyin, the Vice President of the Foundation. I want to also appreciate Prophet Sunday Okuma, the DG of the foundation. I want to also appreciate Ambassador Moses, the director of projects, yes, for all they have done, for praying for me, so that Daddy did what he did for me. It is wonderful. Do you know how much what Daddy gave to me? 5 million naira. Cash, it's not story. Maybe it's cash. Rough, how do I call it? Rough cash, man. You know? So I'm very much happy. I want to appreciate him, and I also pray that the foundation will continue to grow from strength to strength. Thank you very much, Daddy. May my God will bless you. Continue to do your good, like you used to say. Continue to do what God has sent you to do. That is good. Thank you very much. Thank you, Daddy. Bye for now.
So guys, I also now watch the full video. Una see and say not really easy at all for this man. If you see the way the man even they talk, the sickness really affect him well, you understand? It really affect him well because I remember then when I watch this man movie, the man they agile, not be so they talk, you understand? That's why they pray say sickness not be our portion, you understand? Who get good health, make it the thank God for a life. Who sleep, wake up. See and say get 2 hands, 2 legs, eye complete, it okay, make it thank God because a big testimony. You understand? See this man now, only 1 leg, now I can remember. And meanwhile, the time when he get to these 2 legs, you know, appreciate, you don't know what God do for him. You understand? Likewise, some people these days, they get 2 legs, 2 hands. They'll see they complain, say money not there, no car, no house. Make una calm down, everything will come. The important thing are good health first, you understand? Just look at this man now, not be so if be. But according, they say now condition, I make crayfish burn, you understand? Well, kudos to Papa J himself when he take the step, take give this man this money, make it take go buy artificial leg when they say what 500,000 naira, of which this man can decide to give him 5 million naira. You understand? Not easy. Well, this other update they come from Kano State, my people. Keke Napep riders, they say government want use tax, they finish them. Keke Napep again, they not see people when they want use tax, they give tax. I don't know why they give Nigeria pastors so that they build church for everywhere. You see one street, 100, 200 church go there one small street. I don't know why they give all those on tax. When be say people when they ride Keke Napep, they go, they look for their daily bread. Now they want use tax, they finish. As me and at the top, now all of them don't strike. They say they know they work again because the tax when they bring for them. Too much. This one they come from Kano. Say, well, guys, I go leave now with this very video. Why I go see you now for the next update coming up. So don't forget to subscribe, hit on that notification bell. Don't forget to drop your comment because through your comment I go tell you what will be your opinion regarding this very video. So guys, I go see you now for the next update coming up soon, guys. Respect, one love, guys.
Pigeon We dey here live for Kano State where Keke riders start their 3 days strike, and the reason them say now because government they disturb them with too many taxes. So now why them they do this strike action? So as we come out this morning, we don't see any Keke rider for road, and this one I make many people today they trek. Get many people where they trek for road. So this motor when they see now, motor we supposed carry load, but today because of the lack of Keke, now people they pay to climb. That now waiting they happen today be that. People they pay to climb. So the thing don't make many people miss school because now today school resume. Some people they go work and they don't get chance to go to work. So now a lot of problems they happen because of that. Barka dai. Daga BBC ne muna dan yin rahoto game da wannan rashin abun hawa yau. Sai me ko kana da abin da zaka dan ce? Na? Tun karfe nawa ka fito? Okay, amma kuma yanzu baka samu abun hawa ba. Ina zaka je? Okay. So this passenger who they talk to say he come out around 10 in the morning, and up till now he never get motor wey go carry am go where they go, and he say now because of the lack of Keke, that's why this delay dey. So we get many people like that wey come out today to go do one or two things, but them no get the chance at this time because of lack of Keke for the whole of Kano State. So now so it be today for this is one of the major roads for Kano where they call Zoo Road, and a place where we say on a good day if you find like 500 Keke on the streets, but today no single Keke for that for this road, and this make many people for the state they go through a lot of stress because of you see students who supposed to school since 8, and some now they even see how to some they trek, use leg, try and see whether they pick get to school before closing time. Many people who speak to talk about the problems where they face. Get one woman we talk say she come out around 7:30, and she dey try reach Hotoro area, but up till now she still dey struggle to see motor or taxi wey go carry her go because of wetin dey happen. So na trekking many people dey do today for Kano. So according to the chairman of the Keke Riders Association for Kano, we speak yesterday for media, they say they are complaining now because of the taxes where the government they charge them. Already they pay 100 naira daily, and them supposed to pay another 85 will be yearly tax to the state government. So all these things now waiting they cost the palaver. Them feel say the tax is too much, and now why them decide to react like this. Barka da Sadiq. Lafiya lau yayi. Ya aiki. BBC ne muna dan yin rahoto game da rashin abun hawa. So now so they go for Kano State this morning. A lot of struggles by many people to just see wetin they go use, wetin they go use, wetin go transport them go where them they go. Many people dey stranded. Some they go work, some they go schools, some they go hospital, and it is very hard for them to go where them they go because of wetin dey happen. You go see passengers plenty where they road, they try see wetin they go get. Assalamu alaikum. BBC ne muna rahoto game da wannan rashin abun hawa yau na adaidaita da ake fama da shi. Me zaka ce game da wannan abu? Haka sunanka?
Sunana Idris Muhammad.
Yawa.
Ana ce mun baba ina zo ne a kwanan total. Muna lodi ne a kwanan total. Ga wannan abu da yake faruwa babu.
Wani irin wahala mutane suke sha yau?
Ana cewa ana akadin wasu suna ɗauka kyauta suna ɗorawa 200 inda ake cewa naira 100 ana cewa 200. Kuma a matsayin yan gasa gaskiya kamata gwamnati ta fi wannan lamari a sassauta wayannan mutane saboda mukan ma abin da ya shafe mu domin mai muwa muna samun 10, 20, 50 a wannan tasha da haka muna fata Allah zo da kasar lafiya amma ya kamata gwamnati su duba wannan lamari da ake ciki a tausaya wa mutane saboda in haka dole haka za a shiga wani yanayi wanda tabbas sai an shiga musibar da ba taba shiga a cikin yau daya mun kowa ya ci a cikinsa don haka gwamnati ya kamata a taimaka a tallafa a soke wayannan abubuwa da wayanda suke so su yiwa don ita ingiza mai karfi ruwa kasar da rushe kudai na wanda ya karfi doka da shari'a ina fatan Allah ya zo da kasar mu lafiya Allah ya sassauta mana wannan masifa da muke ciki.